Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the top tricks of your JBL Quantum 950 headphones. Let's start with our application. Yes, we do have the application, which is both compatible with your iPhone, both compatible with your Android phone, both compatible with PC and macOS. So 4 platforms for application. And on the PC, like macOS and Windows, this application is called the Quantum Engine application. And for your phones, iOS, Android, it's called the JBL Quantum. And once you are here in this application, we have many further options. So that was the first top trick. The second top trick is that here we have the Equalizer. And this Equalizer is not the top trick these days, but if you tap it here, you can see the presets and buzz, cinematic, etc. and each created for each game, which is actually very useful. Here we have special sound which we can set either to fixed or the head tracking. Actually nice. Here, even though these are the gaming headphones, we have the transparency mode, ambient awareness, and ANC. As with the microphone, I don't really think that this is that much top trick, because side tone isn't that important, so noise gate, etc. As you can see here, they have the game chat balance, which is actually very nice also. Here you can move more to this game, or more to the chat while playing. Apart from that, here they have different gestures, controls. Dial L for volume control, dial R for game and chat balance, button L for ANC, and button R for spatial sound control and recentering our headphones. Here we have yet another option. If you tap this three dots in the top right corner, you can tap, here Fortnite, but for you it's user profile. And as I can see, here we have the game modes, and these are the presets of our whole headphone settings based on each game which is here. And that's how it works. Goodbye.